Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 mini, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks you can do on this phone. So we're going to begin with the toggles, which you can find under Control Center. So right here, as you can see, we have a bunch of toggles right here. It doesn't really matter, but as an example, we have the brightness one, right? And normally you can just modify the brightness by just sliding it, right? I'm not sure if you ever knew, but you can actually hold this toggle and this will give you a couple more options right here. So you have things like True Tone, you can disable it or enable it on the go. You can obviously modify this. We have the night shift off. So this is a scheduled night shift. Just gonna leave this. And obviously we also have a dark mode. Additionally, you have things also like that with these toggles right over here. So when you hold this entire panel, it expands and gives a couple additional options. So as an example, Bluetooth, you can hold it and it will give you all the Bluetooth devices that are right now connected. You can hold Wi-Fi's and this will show you all the Wi-Fi's that you have in your area right now. You can connect to them quickly and so on. So you can go through these toggles. Now moving on to the next option, it's just going to be the Control Center itself. So let's go into the settings and then we can navigate under the Control Center, which allows you to add different toggles. As you can see, these ones right here are the ones that are added by default. So the ones right here. And anything below that are toggles that you can actually add. Now these are all the default ones that come basically with the device, but if you install some kind of applications, there's a chance that some of them might have also toggles for them. For instance, actually I was gonna say Shazam, but it also has its toggle already baked into the OS. But there might be other applications that will show up right here later on once you install some applications, which you'll be able to add them. Now anyway, all these toggles right here with the plus are the ones that are disabled. So if you want to enable them, you simply tap on the plus like so, and you'll see them now right over here. Now moving on to the next option, it's just a simple dark mode, which actually again it's in the settings. So let's go settings, display and brightness, and you will have this right over here. So you can switch to dark mode if you want to, or keep it at light mode, or you can also select automatic, which will basically switch automatically based on the time. And moving on to the next option and also last one, these are fairly quick and easy. It's going to be the widgets. Now if you ever booted the device, you can probably see that there were some widgets here by default on one of the pages. But to add new ones, if you want to, you can simply hold on your screen. As you can see, your icons will start shaking. And from here you have this plus button. As you click on it, it gives you a list of different widgets which you can add. Additionally, again, like I mentioned before, if you install some kind of applications, those applications might have widgets which will again appear right here. And all you will need to do is simply select the widget that you want to add, click on it. You have different ways of adding the widget, different sizes. Let's just go with this one, add widget, and there you go. You have now your tiny little widget. So anyway, this would conclude all the tweaks and tricks that are on the show. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.